Hello and welcome to the knowledge channel, and in this video I will show you how you can fix network not working or data not working issue in Samsung Galaxy M21s. So before starting this video, if you are in this channel, just don't forget to subscribe and let's start our video without wasting any time. So to fix network not working or data not working problem in M21s, first of all you just need to go to settings and then follow your step as I am showing you in this video. Hope so this will fix your issue.